Hey everyone, I am a software developer and in this video I'm going to walk you through a full stack e-commerce app I recently built. The app is built with Flutter and Dart on the front end, Node.js with Express on the back end, MongoDB as the database and AWS for hosting and image storage. The goal was to build something production ready with clean architecture and best practices throughout. So let's look at the app. These are the onboarding screens. On next you will get the login screen. If you do not have an account already, you can create an account, but I have already made a dummy account, so I will log in with that. While doing this, if you do not remember your password, you can go to forgot password, reset your password, come back on the screen and log in again. Once this is done, you can see the dashboard. There's a list of popular shoes, list of new arrivals, and on tap of a particular brand you can access the product from that particular brand, sort them according to their price, which is low to high or high to low, filter them on basis of the gender, size, category or price range. On hit of an apply you will get the filter products. This is just one because I've added a dummy database. You can reset it and you'll get the original list back. There's a search functionality where I'm searching Nike and I'll get all the Nike products. On tap of a particular product I can see the details. I can select a size and add it to the cart. Let's add one more product into the cart. Same, you have to select the size and it's added in the cart. If you're unsure you want to buy it or not, you can always add the product in the favorite section, which is accessible from here. Okay, let's go back to the cart. Here there are these two products that we added. I'll remove one of them just to show that we can change the cart as well. Let's check out. In checkout you will see user details, address, payment method and products that you selected. There's the subtotal of the product and shipping. I have kept a dummy $40. You can keep anything if you want. Let's check out. Okay, the order is placed. Let's go back to shopping. As I can see, my cart will be empty now. Okay, now you can also see profile section where you will see all your details. It can be updated from here, and there is a sidebar from which you can navigate to any screen you want just for convenience and sign out. Now on the front end part, everything is modular. Assets, I have kept models, provider, screens in which everything is in their own folder, separated screens. In utils, constant, I have kept routes, API helper and everything. There are widgets which are reusable widgets used throughout the app, and there is an export file where I have kept all the imports so I don't have to import on every screen again and again. On the backend, I follow REST principles to keep API clean and predictable. Routes are organized. Here I am connecting with MongoDB. There is verify token because I'm using JWT. These are schema for cart, order, product, user. Then there is .env file where I've kept my port Mongo URI, which will help to connect with MongoDB database. And there are routes. When it comes to database, I have used MongoDB. As you can see, there are these users, products. I have a dummy database. I have created a dummy database and orders and cards. The backend is hosted on AWS EC2. The database is in Mongo Atlas. I have added all proper validation, error handling on both